So, welcome to the channel. My throat is having some issue today. So, let us start with the problem, which is let me mention the problem, Restless Bandit problem. So, this question was given by Manas Sheel, who is doing PhD in IIT Roorkee, to me. So let us start with the problem. So, what is the point of solving this problem? Why are you trying to solve the problem? The point of solving the problem, restless bandit problem, is to show that how the algorithm is able to learn how to get the maximum reward, but selecting the most rewarding arm. So there will be multiple arm, and it has to select the arm, and accordingly it will get the reward. But the algorithm will learn over time how to get the maximum reward. So it will start selecting the arm which is giving more reward. Okay, you'll see in the program. So you'll also get a plot. What will the plot indicate? The plot will indicate that initially the reward is a little less, but over more iteration it is able to learn better and select the more rewarding arm, so the total reward increases. So where it can be used, it has a very wide variety of application, because as you know, it is like selecting the best option. You can think like that. So it can be used for classifying the data which is the best. It can be used by robot to determine the best path. It can be used, a practical example I mentioned is selecting the best time slot for advertisement in television, where it is getting the maximum, what is that called, revenue. So let us start with the problem. So this is the problem. Before that, let me make it a little interesting and show you what the reward, what the output is. Python restless bandit.py. See, this is the output. So if you see on average, the reward is increasing. Let me run it once more because it is not very evident in this case. You have to, like, if the number of iterations is more, it will be more evidence. I one example I saw that it is very good. So as you can see, sometimes it is getting so less reward, but ultimately it is increasing. Let me run once more in the hope of getting a little better result. Okay, as you can see, this is more evident here. So if you see the center line, the reward is increasing over time as it is learning. Okay, if I increase the number of iterations, maybe it will increase. Let me do that. Let me just try to do that. Let me do 2000. Yeah, as you can see, it is quite evident now. The reward is increasing over time as it is learning which is the best path. So now let's come back to the program and see what is going on. Now I want you to ignore everything else for now. Only focus on the selected path. Okay, the lower part anyway you can ignore because it is just for plotting, not part of the algorithm. Okay, so let me isolate it a little bit. So don't focus on anything else, focus on this. It is a loop for the range. I have mentioned here, rounds. Okay, so first what it is doing, choosing an arm to play. Okay, so first time it will not know anything which is best, which is less rewarding, or which is more rewarding. It will just choose a random one. Okay, then simulate the reward for the chosen arm, then like calculate the reward for the chosen arm. Okay, the reward will be calculated, and then by the way, the reward is also, initial reward is mentioned. Okay, initial reward I've mentioned here. So reward is calculated from there, so based on the arm number. After that only reward is updated, and true reward is updated. Okay, so this is the speciality of restless bandit problem. So in restless bandit problem, the reward is randomly updated. Okay, and this is an update. Okay, so once the reward is generated, then it is updating in another variable so that it remembers which gave me more reward and which कहाँ से ज़्यादा पैसा मिला, कहाँ से कम पैसा मिला, याद रखता है. ठीक है, so this update is for remembering that. As you can see, it is storing number of time it is played, and then it is calculating the reward and storing the reward so that it remembers which is the most rewarding. And in play what it is doing is, What is play? Let me go back to the program once more. So when selecting the arm, it is playing, right? Selecting which arm to play. So while selecting, it is using the previously stored reward. For the first time, it does not have any previous history record, but over time, as it plays more and more time, it will record the rewards in each arm here and calculate the which is the most rewarding arm, and accordingly argmax will return the highest value in the array. Okay, so this is simple argmax function which returns the highest value in the array. Okay, so that is the basic concept, very basic, and this is just for plotting. So if you like, these are the main things you can remember. You can understand this. You only need to understand these 1 2 3 4 lines. Okay, 4 lines. This line is just for appending the results so that we can show it properly in plot. Okay, this line also is not part of the algorithm. So you can, if you understand these 4 steps, then you can understand the restless bandit problem. Okay, so first it is selecting the arm, then it is playing. Like, you can think of cards. First it is selecting the cards, then it is playing the card, then it is recording that the card I played, did it give me more reward or not, did I win something or not. It is recording, remembering that, just like humans. Then it is updating. This true reward update is a specialty. This is also not part of the algorithm. This is just to implement the uncertainty of the real world, like that. Okay, so this is also not part of the problem. You can focus on this, understand these three are the repeating steps. Okay, so it is selecting the arm, then getting the reward, and recording the reward in previous as a history, so that it can use it to select the better arm next time in the next loop. Okay, so these three are the main steps. Now these are the like implementation of equation, but if you like understand basic update is like database, like it is recording things in the database, something like that, you can understand. Play is the basic function which is used to select the maximum, argmax is maximum rewarding arm, and it returns the maximum rewarding arm here, and then it plays the arm and then updates the record. And over time, when this function gets stronger, or when it has more data, it will be able to select the better arm, and when it selects the better arm, it will get better rewards over time. Okay, I'm thinking, let me try running this for say 5,000 times. Okay, just to see. I have to close it. Okay, just to see. I will do a clear also. Restless bandit. Okay, so anyway, it is still like rewards are increasing. You can use it to select which videos, or saying what in videos is getting better result, which script is getting better result. Just a second. So like that, you can use it in multiple implementations. So that's all for the video. I'm going to end the video right now. You can post some questions in the comment. I'll be happy to answer them, or ask them to Manas, who provided me the question. He'll be able to answer your questions. So thank you very much for watching. Until then, goodbye.